We're doing basically a baseline fish survey for the Blackwood Basin Group here at Schwenke's Dam in Greenbushes. There's a lot of these sort of old mine lakes around here, and the Blackwood Basin Group is busy doing as much rehabilitation of these aquatic ecosystems as they can. So we're just working out what fish and also crayfish are here as well. The activities we're doing here today is a range of different freshwater fish survey techniques to make sure we capture whatever freshwater fish are in here, and that's introduced and native species. So we're using fyke nets, some gill nets, seine nets, and also an electrofisher to work out what's in the dam. Last night we also did some scuba diving to pick up species that we might not get in the nets as well, and also some visual observations from the banks of the dam. It's quite good news in a way. We've got a couple of native species of freshwater fish here, western pygmy perch and the western minnow, which are quite widespread southwestern Australian endemic species, so they're found nowhere else on the planet. We've also got, unfortunately, the eastern gambusia, which is a North American live-bearing species, which is now found right throughout the southwest and even up into the Midwest as well. Boat electrofisher just has a couple of anode poles that sit out from the front of the boat, and the boat hull itself acts as a cathode. Basically it passes a current between the two, and any fish that are there basically get temporarily stunned, and we scoop them up and identify them and measure them, and if they're an introduced species we put them straight on ice to take back to Murdoch. If they're a native species we measure them and let them go. We've had a long-standing relationship with the Blackwood Basin Group. We've done various projects in conjunction with them and supported each other's applications for funding, which is always a challenge in natural resource management. So we've got quite a close relationship with the Blackwood Basin Group, and yeah, we're really happy to help out here at the dams. One of the messages we always like to get out to the public is, our freshwater fish group at Murdoch have surveyed more than 2,000 sites statewide now. Disturbingly, we do find quite a lot of introduced species. So in the southwest of Western Australia, the number of introduced species now outnumbers our native species. The native fishes of southwestern Australia are highly unique. More than 80% are found nowhere else. What we really like to tell the public is please do not go introducing even your aquarium species into your local waterways, because they can have a devastating effect.